Yeah, gotta do some boombox repair. This bad boy's got the power cord that goes from it to the batteries jank, so I tried to use my other one, but it started giving me grief because its power supply to the wall was going bad. So I tried to flip flop dang, but I think this cord came loose inside here. So I'm gonna bust this baddie open and see what's up. I got to have portable boombox jams. Kaboombox jam! Kaboombox jam! Got this damn hand screwdriver because apparently there's like a few Ryobi chargers around here somewhere, but you know, it's good inside. This is the audio cable with these RCAs going into this 3.5. And then we got the power supply right here that goes to these two direct current that got to clip onto a battery. But yeah, let's do some diagnosis. Damn, I don't know. It's got power. It's got Alien Phoenix. It's got the speakers hooked up. The only thing, I mean, the amp's on, but maybe it's just bad. I don't know. So I got a third one, actually. And I think I can put this one back together with those parts. I might even have an extra amp. So we'll see. I might be back to all three. But yeah, the shit's, I don't know. They let it rain in on me. I just put my collar on accident. Super fresh on the scene. So yeah, goes from the Alien Phoenix into the amp. Speakers come out this bad boy, and there's the power supply. This one's broke down. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this amp. Try and see what's up, or I got a freshie anyways. But I'd love to repair the old one. Gotta be this guy, because we got it jumping off this other speaker. It's working.
Somebody got it to sell. They're just addicted to pawn and there's knowledge to sell. They used to tell me that only the strong will prevail. But half of the people I love have their hearts for sale. I love it.
Dirt roads, man. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just spinning finger loose. Do got this tiny piece of hash I got kicked down, but damn, it's really not that great. It's hard to dab. It's even hard to burn on a bong hit. I need that top quality. Yeah, first flower hit to the face. Some damn Rascals. I don't know if it's Rascals OG or just Rascals. I don't know. I get tired of these name games, man. Shit's fire, though. I can't even smoke no more. I need some ash. Gosh damn. There we go. Trying. Just kidding, it wasn't that bad, but damn. Yeah, we're going round 2 on the Kaboombox jams. Yeah, that amp was busted. Then I changed out this thing, and it was almost giving me grief. Or maybe just the battery's dead. I don't know. We'll see, but I got this other amp. It was working. I had it all working, but it all's kind of falling apart again. So I just hooked up this battery charger with some alligator clips real quick. Boom. I'm not sure which side is which even. These fucking things, man. Pieces of shit. Need some of those, like, slip-ons. That's not right. There we go.
first dab of the day. Fire it up. Yeah! Feels bad, man. Lays me out.